Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, so this is interesting. I've got one workshop manual here. This covers the 500 and the 350. And it says, ensure the short boss is facing outwards in the case of a 350 and the long boss of the gears facing outwards in the case of the 500. So that way. And this book is a Haynes 500, so this only does the 500. And this says line the flats on the shaft in the gear, slide the gear on with the large boss facing the pump. So they're saying that way. Then secure it with a clip. So 2 different workshop manuals saying 2 different things. And this is where I'm glad I did this video, because if I play this, short bit on the outside, long bit on the inside. So I'm going to put it back on. So the Haynes manual is correct, but the workshop manual is not, which is interesting. And that gears sort of sit pretty good with that. If that was sitting further in, it'd be sitting on the back half of the inlet gear. Okay, and a little clip. That's sitting in, that's all good. Okay, what's next? The cam plate